Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the speaker isn't working on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, adjust the sound volume using the volume buttons on your smartphone. You can also tap on the mixer icon right here and check whether or not the sound volume you need is maxed out here. Besides, we can go to settings and in settings open sound menu. Then in the sound menu check the audio effects, and if they are enabled then you should try to disable them and check your sound volume once again, and otherwise you can enable them and try using different sound effects for your device and listen to what it sounds like. Maybe one of the equalizers or maybe one of the presets will work better for you. Will make your sound work and speakers work. And if nothing helps you, then try cleaning the speaker grills using either a soft brush or a non-conductive pin to remove the blockage that could have get stuck in here. Now also make sure to disable Bluetooth to outrule the sound being rerouted to your Bluetooth devices possibility, and check your sound quality once again. Now, if nothing helped you, then what we should do is update the software on our device to the latest version, or at least make sure that we are using the latest software version on our device. To do that, go to System, in Settings, expand the Advanced Settings list, go to System Updates, check if you have any updates to install, and if you don't, then if you do, then let your smartphone download and install the most recent software version. And if you don't have any updates, then we're gonna have to check the safe mode in order to see if no third-party applications or no background activities interfere with your speakers. To do that, hold down the power button for a while and then hold down the power off option on your screen and tap OK to reboot your device to the safe mode. Okay, so in a safe mode you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your smartphone. Here check your speakers, check the sound volume on your device, and in case you can actually hear your speakers in safe mode, then you're gonna have to check which application could have caused this kind of interference with your speaker, and probably remove it from your smartphone. Now, if you still cannot hear your speaker sound, then at this point you should consider a hardware issue possibility, and if it's a hardware issue, then you're gonna have to get your device repaired. To exit the safe mode, just select Restart. Your phone will reboot into the normal mode. And that's it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.